The future is here, and these 15 futuristic vehicles are rewriting everything we know about speed, power, and innovation. From flying cars to space-age trains, what you're about to see will leave you speechless. Tell us in the comments which one blew your mind the most. C. The Sceye HAPS is a solar-powered airship that floats 20 kilometers above Earth in the stratosphere, acting like a flying satellite. Powered by sunlight and advanced lithium-sulfur batteries, it can stay airborne for months, delivering high-speed internet and real-time Earth monitoring. Built from ultra-light, gas-tight materials, Sceye can track climate changes, provide 5G coverage, and assist in disaster response. It's not science fiction. It's the future of global connectivity from the sky. GAC Gove Concept. The GAC Gove Concept is nothing short of madness in motion, a flying car straight out of the future. It uses a detachable dual-module design. One pod climbs into the skies, the other rolls on roads. The Gove's cockpit detaches mid-flight, while the chassis stays grounded yet follows along, docks back, and recharges. It's powered by a multi-rotor eVTOL setup with backup motors, where even if one power unit fails, the ride doesn't drop. By 2027, GAC aims to roll this out in cities like those in Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau. GAC Space Concept Car. The GAC Space Concept Car is an eye-popping fusion of tradition and sci-fi. It's a hydrogen-powered MPV concept, boasting over 180 horsepower and 258 pound-feet torque, with a mind-blowing range of about 650 kilometers, 403 miles on one fill. Exterior is wild, massive illuminated grille called the waterfall, gull-wing door, sloping windshield, LED lights running full width. Inside, it's a convertible lounge on wheels. Front seats rotate, a huge L-shaped sofa, retractable steering when in self-drive, level 4 autonomy, even modes like bonfire circle and tea time lounge, where the tailgate flips out into a sofa chilling space. Magnetic rail. The magnetic rail system is redefining transportation with mind-blowing technology that makes trains float above the tracks using magnetic levitation. Reaching speeds of over 600 kilometers per hour, it eliminates friction, noise, and pollution, making travel smoother and faster than ever imagined. Unlike traditional maglev systems, it can upgrade existing railway lines, turning ordinary tracks into futuristic highways of speed and efficiency. This isn't just evolution, it's the teleportation of cargo and passengers in motion. Maglev System. The Maglev System is nothing short of sci-fi brought to life. Imagine trains gliding without touching the tracks, suspended by powerful electromagnets, reaching test speeds over 600 kilometers per hour. That's faster than many airplanes on short routes. Because there's no wheel-on-rail friction, maintenance drops drastically. It's quieter, safer, derailment risk is near zero, and more eco-friendly thanks to zero direct emissions. It changes the game. Doors open on the future of travel. Phantom 3500. The Phantom 3500 by Otto Aerospace is straight-out science fiction turned real. No regular windows. The cabin is wrapped in high-definition digital screens, streaming live outside views, boosting aerodynamics like nothing before. It slashes fuel burn by 50 to 60%, cuts emissions up to 90% when using sustainable fuel, and aims for a 3,700 nautical mile range. Enough to go almost non-stop on long routes. First test flight in 2027, entering service by 2030. Rictor Skyrider X1. The Rictor Skyrider X1 is wild, a flying motorcycle straight out of a sci-fi flick. It works both on road and in the air, with 8 propellers on 4 arms that fold out to take off and wheels for cruising on pavement. It hits a top speed of about 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour, with up to 40 minutes flight time in its bigger battery version, or around 25 minutes for the standard model. Built from carbon fiber composite and aviation-grade aluminum to keep it light yet strong. Safety-wise, it has triple redundant flight control systems, an emergency parachute, and automated takeoff and landing, plus route planning with real-time weather adaptability. Estimated price approximately $60,000 US. Ekranoplan Chaika 2. The Ekranoplan Chaika 2 is one of the most jaw-dropping hybrid vehicles ever created. Part airplane, part ship, and entirely futuristic. Developed by Russia's Alexeyev Central Hydrofoil Bureau, this ground-effect monster skims just a few meters above the ocean surface, flying at speeds of up to 450 kilometers per hour, while carrying up to 100 passengers or 9 tons of cargo. With a massive 5,000-kilometer range, it doesn't need runways or ports. It simply glides over water, ice, or flat land with near-zero resistance. The Chaika 2 isn't just transport. It's a glimpse into the next generation of military and commercial mobility. NASA will land. Titan. NASA's Dragonfly mission is about to make history by landing a flying drone on Titan, Saturn's mysterious moon. Set to launch in 2028, this nuclear-powered rotorcraft will explore Titan's methane lakes, icy dunes, and thick orange atmosphere, a world eerily similar to early Earth. Using 8 powerful rotors, it will fly from site to site, searching for the building blocks of life. This isn't just exploration. It's humanity's boldest step toward discovering life beyond Earth. EOS-X Space. EOS-X Space is bringing the dream of space travel closer than ever, without rockets or explosions. Launching commercial flights in 2025 from Spain and Abu Dhabi, this futuristic project will lift a luxury capsule nearly 40 kilometers above Earth using a giant helium balloon. Inside, passengers will enjoy panoramic views of the planet's curvature and the blackness of space in complete silence. With just 7 passengers per flight, EOS-X offers a once-in-a-lifetime, zero-gravity-like experience. Pure luxury at the edge of space. Kawasaki Corleo Robot Horse. The Kawasaki Corleo Robot Horse is like something ripped from Blade Runner, a 4-legged, rideable beast built for the wild. Unveiled at Expo 2025 in Osaka, it runs on a 150 cubic centimeter hydrogen engine that powers all 4 legs for eerily fluid motion, while only emitting water vapor. Instead of pedals or throttles, you steer it by shifting your body weight. Sophisticated sensors, AI, and those split rubber hooves adapt to grass, rocks, even rubble. Corleo is a concept, not a product. Kawasaki hopes something real might arrive by 2050. FlyNow eCopter. The FlyNow eCopter is like stepping into tomorrow's skies today. This electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) machine can zip through urban airspace at 130 kilometers per hour, covering up to 50 kilometers in a single 30-minute flight. It can lift 200 kilograms, cargo or 1 to 2 passengers, with a max takeoff mass around 570 kilograms. What makes it jaw-dropping? Its noise output is ultra-low, just 55 decibels A at 150 meters altitude, quieter than many household appliances. Its coaxial rotor design with dual counter-rotating rotors means fewer moving parts, less drag, more safety. It's not just a flying taxi, it's electric, clean, almost whisper quiet and ready to redefine how we escape city traffic. BMW Motorrad Vision CE. The BMW Motorrad Vision CE is a futuristic electric scooter that's redefining what city riding means. It features a metal cage safety frame, plus a seatbelt that could make helmets and heavy protective gear optional. It balances itself when stopped, so no need to put your feet down at traffic lights. The powertrain is based on BMW CE04 platform, approximately 42 horsepower, 31 kilowatts, approximately 62 Newton-meters torque, top speed around 120 kilometers per hour, range of approximately 130 kilometers. Its design is long, low, with matte white and black bodywork accentuated by neon red. Looks both sharp and minimal. RailEvo. RailEvo is an absolutely mind-blowing reimagination of rail travel, a network of autonomous 4- to 6-seat rail taxis that run 24/7 on existing single-rail tracks, turning them into non-stop on-demand highways with no fixed schedules or intermediate stops. It can have travel times, quadruple transport capacity, and maintain speeds of 80 to 120 kilometers per hour thanks to aerodynamic electric vehicles powered via rail electrification. No huge batteries needed. RailEvo fits in just 3.5 meters of track width, enough for 2 vehicles, and works even on 20% gradients. DJI FlightHub 2. The DJI FlightHub 2 is a mind-blowing command center in the cloud that turns any drone fleet into a fully autonomous, super sharp surveillance and inspection army. Picture this. You've got virtual cockpits, multiple drone video streams viewable all at once, up to 16 feeds, real-time mapping and annotations, detection of anomalies like boats or vehicles with built-in AI. It supports advanced cloud mapping, RGB, IR, overlays 2.5D base maps with elevation, and lets you plan, deploy, and monitor missions across docked drones remotely. Security is top-notch too. ISO/IEC 27001 compliance for data, cloud, and on-premises tiers, plus support for many enterprise devices like DJI Dock, Matrice, and M30 series. The future isn't coming. It's already here, taking flight, floating in space, and racing across magnetic rails. These inventions prove humanity is rewriting the limits of technology and imagination. Stay tuned, because what's coming next will blow your mind.